Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Clanker token. Now the Clanker token just got two huge central exchange listings just today, brand new listings for the Clanker token. The name of the token is actually, looks like Tokenbot, and ticker symbol is Clanker. Token price for this token is $128.64 USD right now. It says it's up 16.78%. I saw it come out, I believe, a day or two ago. It was very popular and still continues to be popular. And it says Clanker is a base meme created by the AI agent Clanker on Warpcast. So that's where this token comes from. And we're going to go over the information on the Clanker token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find this token on BaseScan. You can find it if you're looking for the chart and the price and all the statistical information. You can find the token on DEX Tools or DEX Screener. Maybe CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. I haven't checked if it's on there yet. But it was just announced today that this token will be getting a couple very big central exchange listings. Now, this token already has 19,549 holders. So it's almost at 20,000 holders. Brand new token and just exploding right off the bat here. On BaseScan, it says there's 18 decimal places on this token and a max total supply of 1 million Clanker tokens. And so far they've had over 200,000 transactions. So a lot of action going on for this token here. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project here. It is at _Clanker. So it says Clanker.world will be operational again Saturday, November 8th, once @Dish picks up more motor oil. And then it has a link there to their Warpcast website, warpcast.com/Clanker. They just joined November 2024. They have 370 followers, and it says they are followed by Coinex Global, because just today they got a big central exchange listing on Coinex Global. I do believe they got another big central exchange listing today. I'm going to have a look at that in a second. But yeah, it says here November 27th, 9:30 a.m. UTC time. Clanker, the base meme created by the AI agent Clanker on Warpcast, got listed on Coinex Global. So if you're looking to get this token, and you don't have a Coinex Global account, I do have a Coinex Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Coinex Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Clanker, and then simply just buy the token. Now, that's what I thought too. It also got listed at 10 a.m. This morning, November 27th, on Mexc Global as well. And so I just saw that on Twitter at Mexc_official, just tweeted that out. So that's another way to get it. If you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there as well. So you could use either one of those, same steps for Coinex or Mexc Global. Now, if you don't want to use a central exchange, maybe Mexc Global or Coinex Global is not available in your country, you can also get this token off of Uniswap. So first of all, you would need a wallet that could store base tokens. So Coinbase wallet would be fitting. You could also use a MetaMask wallet, Trust wallet. Download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund your wallet with ETH and bridge it to Base, or you could fund your wallet directly with Base from any one of the central exchanges. Links down there in the description box. Once you funded your wallet with Base, you go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then using the contract address that you could find, maybe it's on their Twitter here. You can find it on, Dex Tools, Dex Screener, Base Scan. Just make sure you have the right contract address. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes. You will have to pay a small amount of gas fees, so just be aware of that. So on their webpage here, if you go over to clanker.world, click on that webpage, it says Clanker's World, at Clanker, autonomous meme coins built by Dish, and at proxystudio.eth. It says total tokens deployed 4,258, and you can click View Clanker. Then it has a big list of tokens here that have been deployed, and you can check that out there. It's got Luminous listed on here. I will be posting a video on the Luminous token probably tomorrow. Ticker symbol LUM, so stay tuned for that video. But yeah, so that token is doing super well. That's been around for a couple weeks, I believe. But yeah, you can go through all these tokens here on the Clanker page and check those out there. And then they have the Warpcast link there. You can follow this Twitter. I don't know if they have a Telegram. Let me check the Dex Screener here. So right now this token has a market cap of $131.9 million. Doing very well, this token. They're up 46.58% right now in the past 24 hours. Just today, they have a 24-hour trading volume of $16.2 million. All these central exchange listings probably helped. Now, they have $5.6 million worth of liquidity in Uniswap, and they are trending number 9 right now in the base section on Dex Screener. This token pair was created 18 days 19 hours ago on Uniswap, and still going strong here. Their Go Plus security audit does say 0% taxes, so if you do get it off of Uniswap, you won't have to set slippage. They have 2 quick audits, one quick intel and one Go Plus security audit. Says there's no issues on there whatsoever. Their token sniffer score, though, says 70 out of 100. So just take that with a grain of salt and make sure you thoroughly do your own research before investing in anything. And let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And make sure you check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Coinex Global and the Mexc Global one where this token just got listed. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.